So these are the materials to begin with a water microscope: a bottle, glass slides, scissor, a marker, cutter, water, the specimen, and a magnifying glass. We'll take the plastic bottle and make two notches, deeper notches on two sides and shallow notches on two sides. The notches should be opposite to each other. Now using a cutter, we cut the deeper notches and the shallow notches on the plastic bottle. Next, we take two glass slides and we place one glass slide in the deeper notch and we place the other glass slide in the shallow notch. It looks like a cross symbol. Before placing the upper slide, place the specimen on the lower side in the deeper notch and then place the other glass slide in the shallow notch from above. Now we add water onto the upper glass slide. The water acts as a concave lens and magnifies the specimen and the object. We now take a magnifying glass which acts as a convex lens. This is how the image looks with only the water magnification, and this is how it looks with the magnifying glass. The water acts as a concave lens and the magnifying glass acts as a convex lens of the eyepiece. This was the working of a water microscope. Thank you.